Hello and welcome to Tongue Ticklers. Today's tongue tickler is my favorite fruit custard. Let's take a quick look at the ingredients. I have half a cup of coffee, half apple chopped, some chopped nuts, half a cup of berries, rusks or biscuits, and custard. Let's start with making the custard. In a saucepan, add 2 cups of milk. I'm using skim milk, but you can choose full cream if you like. To this, add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Next, we will add custard powder. Vanilla flavor works really well with fruit, so I'm using vanilla flavor today. Take 3 tablespoons of cold milk and dissolve 2 tablespoons of custard powder. Custard powder dissolves really well in cold milk, so this will avoid any formation of lumps. Add it to the saucepan and stir thoroughly. Now add a few cardamom seeds for taste. This is optional, so you can choose not to if you don't like the flavor of cardamom. Keep stirring to avoid the custard from sticking to the saucepan. Let it boil for 3 to 5 minutes until the custard is thick but flowy. Turn off the heat and set it aside to cool. If you like a thicker custard, you can double the amount of custard powder when cooking. Be mindful that once the custard cools down, it becomes thicker. Alright, now let's assemble our dessert. Take a serving bowl of your choice, and I'm piping chocolate sauce along the walls of the bowl, but you can choose raspberry or caramel sauce as well. This is more for presentation purposes than for taste. Place the rusks or biscuits in the bowl, but obviously you can swap these with brownies or cakes, whatever you like. Add the coffee until the biscuits are completely soaked. The bitterness of the coffee will be a tasty surprise in the fruity, creamy custard when you eat it. So I really like this touch in the dessert. Next, we'll add the chopped apples, but again, you can add banana, mango, oranges, grapes, any fruit you like. This is your dessert, so make it your way. We've got our custard nicely cooled. It is creamy but still flowy. Just layer the custard on top of the apples or any fruit that you're using. Add the berries and nuts. I'm using almonds, cashews and pistachios, but you can use any nuts you like. Macadamias, walnuts, whatever you like. You can then garnish with some apple slices and some mint leaves for freshness. There we go, healthy and yummy fruit custard is ready. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Please subscribe to our channel for exciting, tongue-tickling recipes. Thanks for watching.